In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if my PayPal account is verified. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look inside your account and how to confirm your status without any guesswork. Verification on PayPal is essentially a trust check. When your account is verified, it means you've completed PayPal's identity requirements, which can improve account security and may lift certain sending, receiving, or withdrawal limits. Start by opening a secure browser and heading to the official PayPal website. Sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your account summary page. If you don't see the summary for any reason, look for the main navigation and select the option that takes you to your account overview. Staying on the summary page makes this quick because the feature we need to check is easy to access from here. Next, open your notifications. On desktop, this is usually a bell icon near the top right corner of the page. On mobile or the app, it's typically the same bell icon, sometimes tucked into a menu. Click or tap that bell to view your recent alerts. Notifications are where PayPal highlights important actions you may need to take, including security prompts and account status reminders. Give the list a moment to load, and scroll if you have several alerts. Here's the key. You're looking for any message that says something like, "Verify your PayPal account." If you do not see that message among your notifications, that means your account is already verified. You're good to go. The exact wording can vary a little by region or account type, but the absence of a prompt to verify is the indicator you want. If you do see a message prompting you to verify, it simply means verification isn't complete yet, and PayPal will guide you through what's missing right from that alert. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. If notifications don't load properly, refresh the page or try a different browser. And remember, if your account is brand new, it can take a short while for status updates to appear in notifications. That's it. Go to PayPal, open your notifications, and confirm that there's no "Verify your PayPal account" message. If it's not there, you're verified. Thanks for watching, and I hope this saves you time and gives you confidence in your account status.